Welcome to today's lesson. We're going to do a person puzzle. We have done these before, so you guys should be pretty familiar with them. It's featuring Oskar Schindler, and we're going to be learning a little bit more about him as we're going through this. But today it's really about reviewing the radius and diameter. We worked on circumference yesterday, but I know some of you kind of had a hard time with that, and that's okay because we're going to continue it again today. And hopefully the questions you had yesterday on trying to figure it out will be answered in today's lesson. So our target statement is today I will analyze circles so I can determine the radius, diameter, and or circumference. I know I'll have it when I can apply the correct formula. Every single one of them has a formula in order to determine how to solve for that particular part of a circle. And that's what this lesson is about. It's reviewing the radius, diameter, which are different parts of a circle, including the circumference. And we're going to go over that. So the instructions, if you haven't remembered how to do a person puzzle, there's short math practice activities that incorporate a biography of an inspirational person who has made an impact on the world. And Oskar Schindler has definitely done this. So in this document, you're going to only solve 8 problems. And you want to show as much work as possible, but if you end up doing it on paper and then getting your answer, that's fine as well. You do not have to take a photo of your work and insert it if you don't want to. I know some people don't have the ability to do that, and some aren't sure how to use the computer to do that, and that's fine. Each correct answer will give you a missing piece to the person's biography. The word or phrase next to the equivalent answer will complete the statement. So we drag and drop those clues into the blanks that are provided. And like I said, we've done that before, so it's not a huge new thing that you're learning. So Oskar Schindler, the subject of an award-winning film, Oskar Schindler, was a German industrialist, a spy and a member of the Nazi Party. He is credited for saving the lives of 1,200 Jews during the Holocaust by employing them in his enamelware, that's a fun word, and ammunition factories, located and occupied in Poland, and in the Pro-Cratic and Bohemian and I don't even know how to say that word, Moravia. So in those different places within Europe, in Germany. What he tried to do was capitalize on what was happening during the war. What he ended up doing was saving lives and losing his fortune. He had a huge fortune, and he had nothing by the end of the war because he chose to spend his money on saving lives, Jewish lives. And it's a really, he's an inspirational person to me personally, because they do have a show out called Schindler's List that really depicts kind of his role in World War II and over on the Germany side and during the Holocaust, and how he was able to look at a human life and value it. And that's what we also as teachers do, is we look at our students' lives and we value that, and we want you to know we value your life. So anyway, that's the beginning of this. I'm going to stop this video now, and I'm going to do a tutorial video for every slide, so that way you have a better understanding of what they're looking for and how to make things bigger and smaller. Because some of this print I notice is really kind of tiny, and kind of what I'm looking for and the expectation. So here we go.